I'm Dr. K Gireesh, physician, neurophysician and neurosurgeon. Today for the health bouquet, I'd like to give an important health information, and that's about beauty parlor stroke. Beauty parlor syndrome or the stroke was coined by Dr. Michael Weintraub in 1993 and published then in the Journal of American Medical Association. And he saw few women who developed serious neurological symptoms following shampooing at a hair salon. The complaints included dizziness, loss of balance, facial numbness, and 4 out of 5 which had been reported suffered strokes, paralysis. This is reported by The Guardian, published in 2016. Now, according to the research, it has been found this beauty parlor stroke syndrome, which is otherwise known as hairdresser-related ischemic cerebrovascular disease or vertebrobasilar ischemia or insufficiency, VBI. It's also known as the sink wash syndrome. That is the other name for that. It's a rare phenomenon. It is caused by the kinking of the vertebral artery. There are 4 arteries that are going up, 2 carotid and 2 vertebrals, that is behind. It goes through the cervical spine to supply the back of the brain. In that artery, there can be a kinking or artery dissection or a compression because of the neck positioning or a manipulation at the hair salon. Is also called the hair salon sink bow syndrome. Possible mechanism is actually kinking of the vertebral artery while there is a hyperextension of the neck and turning of the neck to one side for the washing of the hair. Or it can also occur for people who are doing neck massages by hyperextending the neck. It's possible. And even sometimes when you go for the dentist treatment, sometimes your neck might be hyperextended to see all the teeth. So in all these situations too, you can develop this syndrome. Now, how do you prevent it? The method of prevention is never try to avoid hyperextension as far as possible. In fact, I had a patient about 6 months ago who came in. He was lying on a sofa and he slept off. In fact, his neck was hyperextended on a sofa and he was sleeping for almost nearly 15 to 20 minutes. And suddenly he got up, his phone rang up or somebody called. The calling bell was a sound he heard and he suddenly got up. And as he got up, he had a severe vertigo and he was pushed to one side. And he developed a little unsteadiness in walking, which lasted for almost a week. So it's almost something similar to that. So hyperextension, avoid more than 20 degrees. Never do that. Within 20 degrees. And even if suppose you go there for washing of the hair in a beauty parlor, then I think it should be less than it should be less than 20 degrees, your extent on the neck, and should not be more than around 5 or 10 minutes where the washing process should take place. This is the best way to prevent it. Well, that's in brief about beauty parlor stroke syndrome. Thank you. Thank you very much.